Food. Ndewo. Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you names of food items in Igbo language. But before we begin, if this is your very first time of seeing my face, you are pretty much welcome to my Igbo channel. My name is Onyinye, but you can call me Oni. So let's start. Bido. Nri. Food. Some people call it Nni. Nni. Food. Ji. Ji. Yam. Oka. Oka. Corn or maize. Akamu. Akamu. Cream of corn or pulp. Ede. Ede. Cocoyam. Ndụkụ. Ndụkụ. Potatoes. Ọjị. Ọjị. Kola nut. Aṅara. Aṅara. Garden egg or eggplant. Some people call it afụfa. Afụfa. Garden egg or eggplant. Ose ọjị. Ose ọjị. Peanut paste. Now, ose ọjị is a peanut paste. You know, it is ground nuts or peanuts grinded with pepper and other spices. It is very tasty, just like the name, ose ọjị peanut paste. It's very tasty and sweet. You can use it to eat either ọjị or aṅara. Otuboala. Otuboala. Tomatoes. Ose. Ose. Pepper. Ose oyibo. Ose oyibo. Bell peppers or ose bekee. Ose bekee. Bell peppers. Akpụ. Akpụ. Cassava. Abacha. Abacha. Cassava strips. Some people call it African salad. African salad. That is abacha. Nri akpụ. Nri akpụ. We know this nri akpụ as fufu. It's swallow. You get it from akpụ itself. So you can equally call it cassava or akpụ. So nri akpụ is swallow. Nri akpụ. Many people know it as fufu or loi loi. That is nri akpụ. Osikapa. Osikapa. Rice. Agwa. Agwa. Beans. Akwa. Akwa. Egg. Mmiri. Mmiri. Water. Mmiri ara. Mmiri ara. Milk. Mkpụrụ mmiri. Mkpụrụ mmiri. Eyes. ọtọ biribiri, ọtọ biribiri, sugar, achịcha, achịcha, bread, nri abụba, nri abụba, butter or mmanụ achịcha, mmanụ achịcha, that is butter. Achịcha ọka, achịcha ọka, cereal. Abrika, abrika, plantain. Some people call it jioko, jioko, plantain. Some other people know it as ogede, ogede. So you either call it abrika or jioko or ogede. That is plantain. Some other people know it as ukpoko, ukpoko. Like my people will call it ukpoko. That is plantain. Abotata, abotata, carrot. Ụtụ, ụtụ, flour. Nnu, nnu, salt. Mkpụrụ akwụ, mkpụrụ akwụ, palm fruit. Mmanụ akwụ, mmanụ akwụ, palm oil or mmanụ nri, mmanụ nri. That's the normal red oil we normally use to cook. So it's called mmanụ akwụ or mmanụ nri, palm oil. Mmanụ ahụekere, mmanụ ahụekere, groundnut oil. Ahụekere, ahụekere, groundnut. Ụkwa, ụkwa, breadfruit. Achịcha ụtọ, achịcha ụtọ, cake. Achịcha ọkpọọ, achịcha ọkpọọ, biscuit or cookies. Azụ, azụ, fish. Azụ ọkpọọ, azụ ọkpọọ, dry fish. Some people call it mangala, mangala. That is azụ ọkpọọ. Azụ amịrị amị, azụ amịrị amị, smoked fish. Okporoko, okporoko, stockfish. Anụ, anụ, meat. Anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ, chicken. Anụ ewu, anụ ewu, goat meat. Anụ efi, anụ efi, beef. Some people call it anụ ehi, anụ ehi, beef. Anụ nkịta, anụ nkịta, dog meat. Anụ ezi, anụ ezi, pork. So any kind of meat is called anu, anu this, anu that. So generally, meat is called anu. Mkpụrụ osisi, mkpụrụ osisi, fruits. Ọkwụrụ bekee, ọkwụrụ bekee, papaya or pawpaw. Ụdara bekee, ụdara bekee, apples. Ube oyibo, ube oyibo, avocado or ube bekee, ube bekee, avocado. Ube, ube, African butter pear. Ayụ mmiri, ayụ mmiri, watermelon. Ayunda, ayunda, cucumber. Akụ, akụ, nut or aki, aki, nut. So the general name for any kind of nut is aku or aki. For example, akụ oyibo. So you say aku and say the name of which aki or aku it is. Akụ oyibo. Cashew nut, ground nuts, all of these are nuts. So you say aku this, aku that, kola nut. So any kind of nut is called aku or aki. Akụ oyibo, akụ oyibo, coconut, aki oyibo, aki oyibo, coconut. Akụ Hausa, akụ Hausa, tiger nut or aki Hausa, aki Hausa. So you either say aku or aki, they are the same thing. Tiger nut. Akụ inu, akụ inu, bitter kola. So akụ inu or akilu. Some people call it Igbo, like my people will call it Igbo. So that is bitter kola. Unere, unere, bananas. Ujiri, ujiri or ugiri, ugiri, mangoes. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Tea, tea, tea. Lettuce, 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 lettuce. Akidi, akidi. Cowpea, mgbadume, mgbadume. Donut, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Achịcha awai, achịcha awai. Sandwich, achịcha ndụkụ, achịcha ndụkụ. French fries or chips, achịcha ndụkụ. Nkwụaba, nkwụaba. Pineapples or akworu, akworu. Pineapples. Okwuru, okwuru. Okra or okra. Some people know it as okra. Some people know it as okra. So they are the same thing. And it's interesting to know that this okra or okra originated from Igbo land. That is the okwuru. Okwuru. Oroma, oroma. Oranges, oromilu, oromilu. Lemon, oromankirisi, oromankirisi. Lime, udoyi, udoyi. Ice cream, omiyo, omiyo. Candies and sweets, omiyo. Some people know it as ihe nracha, ihe nracha, or omiyo. That is candies and sweets. Ọka agbara agba, ọka agbara agba. Popcorn. Some people know it as ọka ụdanta, ọka ụdanta. That is popcorn. Salad, salad, salad. Yabasị, yabasị. Onions. Isha, isha. Crayfish or prawn. Isha, crayfish. Akwụkwọ nri, akwụkwọ nri. Vegetables. Ugu, Ugu, pumpkin leaf. Inine, inine. Green. Most people know this particular vegetable as green in Igbo land, but the name is inine. The Igbo name, inine. So many people know it as green, but the name is inine. Nchao, nchao, nchao. Scent leaf. Onugbu, onugbu. Bitter leaf. Mbolodi, mbolodi. Water leaf. Ogbono, ogbono. Wild mango seeds. Egusi, egusi. Melon seeds. Uba, uba. Shredded oil bean or opaka, opaka. Shredded oil bean. So you either call it uba or you call it opaka. Shredded oil bean. Shawan shop, shawan shop. Sour soup. Mkpụrụ, mkpụrụ. Seeds. So this mkpụrụ is the seed of any kind of fruits or anything like seeds. Maybe seed of orange, you can say mkpụrụ oroma. Seed of watermelon, mkpụrụ ayụ mmiri. So when you say mkpụrụ, you say the name of which mkpụrụ it is. Mkpụrụ this, mkpụrụ that. Mkpụrụ oroma, mkpụrụ ube, mkpụrụ whatever thing you are referring to. So mkpụrụ is seeds. Mmiri oroma, mmiri oroma. Orange juice. So when you want to say a particular juice it is, maybe mmiri watermelon, mmiri ayụ mmiri, mmiri this one, mmiri that. Just know that it is the juice of that particular fruit you are talking about. Guava, guava, guava. Mmimi, mmimi. Pepper fruit. Icheku, icheku. Velvet tamarind. Strawberry, strawberry. Strawberry. Chocolate ọṅụṅụ, chocolate ọṅụṅụ. Hot chocolate. Pizza, pizza. Pizza. Yogurt, yogurt. yogurt. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Akwụkwọ aṅara, akwụkwọ aṅara, garden egg leaf. That's it for names of food items in Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to join the family. Turn on your post notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for sharing and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.